Hello my YouTube viewers and my Facebook viewers. So for today's vlog, we are here by the sea in Basdako. So mag-vlog lang ko diri gamay guys. Grabe inita, it's 5 o'clock na pero init paghihapon kaayo. So I don't know, na-sunburn ako. So mobalik og ligo karon. Mao ni porma diri sa beach karon. Oh, very white and very big. Bye bye again. It's nice weather. See you.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you. So niabot na mi guys diri sa Moalboal. Nag-order sa mi og food kay utom na, so 12 o'clock mi niabot. So it's 3 hours and a half jud ang biyahe di ay sa bus. So slow. Okay guys, finally we are here in Moalboal in Chipmao. So nice ang ilang roof. So we will go inside na. Okay, we are here. I don't know where is our room. So this is Chipmao Hotel.
There is other dorm nga ang karon kay
Chipmao. Umay ka na lobby, mamutong ta. Nasagay na, wa makupras.
this is water, free water.
Oh, wow, okay.
Purified.
Oh, hangin, maayo kay hangin. Ah. Ka-cute. Ka-cute. Alala.
You can choose which bed you want.
Okay, sa ang tiguwa nga res ubos. Hello. Cebu, Moalboal. No, so naa na mi diri sa Long Beach, White Beach in Moalboal. So murag wala pa na clean ang ilang dagat. Dito dapit kay murag clean na dito sa tubangan. Oh guys, grabe inita di matabang. Labihay inita. Ang uban nagbuwad. Laura and the girls are already swimming. Oh my gulay. Suwak, may gulay. There's no shade at all. So this is our first day here in Moalboal. So nangisnak sa mi kay mo swim na po may balik. So salamat sa akong first day diri sa Moalboal. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Hicimos antes de ao entrar aqui até o fim. São
So init guys, it's so init. Oh, ha, ha. And here you can have a barbecue. And we are here. We say enjoy your meal.
Mga unta.
Mga unta. Oh. Let's eat. Oh, lami. Oh, I like my sandwich. Okay, we are here in Long Beach, Moalboal. Oh my God, just my dear. Oh, look at this place. Compared before when we are here, what a huge building. So crowded like in touristy like in Panglao. Oh wow. This is the white beach. Oh la 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 la. That's very far. That's behind there. Oh, that's where we went. Where we're, and it's. I don't know if we can walk. I don't think we can walk there. Oh my gosh, so init. Wow, it's beautiful. It's been 20 years maybe, or more than 25 years, 28 years maybe. Oh my gosh, so init. And look at this place. The ladies are already having fun. Oh, they like to walk here. Oh, lala, kainit sa panahon. Oh, lagi. Wow. O, sige na. Magkalo sa ko kaya. Murag maitom na gyud ko ani. So, good evening guys. Time check is 5 o'clock. So, a lot of people swimming now. So, this is already my many times video today na. But I'm using my other phone. Kaya the other one is low bat. So, it's still hot guys. It's still hot. And we are here in the Long Beach, but there are limited restaurant. It's better in the Basdiyot, that side there. So I'm going to swim now and do snorkeling, I hope. Bye for now. Maybe later we walk there and then go back to our hotel. Thank you so much. Hello my YouTube viewers and my Facebook viewers. So for today's vlog, we are here by the sea in Basdako. So mag-vlog lang ko diri gamay guys. Grabe inita, it's 5 o'clock na pero init paghihapon kaayo. So I don't know, na-sunburn ako. So mobalik og ligo karon. Mao ni porma diri sa beach karon. Oh, very white and very big. Bye bye again. It's nice weather. See you. A lot of people swimming now guys. It's evening, it's not so hot anymore. So in the morning at noon, I mean at 1 o'clock, there's a lot of fish. Now it's no more. Halo moto. It's a lot of fish guys. It's super clear the water. Super clear the water. Super clear. Thank you sa aking sponsor. To people. It's so nice. We will wait for the sunset and then we go. Super clear water. Oh, grabe. It's a nice sand there. Wow, it's a nice evening here. It's not so hot. And they start cleaning the beach. Oh, there's a lot of people. We had a good sunset here, but I was busy taking a picture of the ladies. So I was not having a video earlier. So nagluto na silang barbecue diri guys, pero manguli namin dito sa Muang Hotel. So daghan jud kaayong tao diri as in. So ari nami uli nami guys. It's evening na guys. So thanks again for watching my vlog. We are going na. Bye bye tutot.
Bye.